Let's look at moving our sheets, copying our sheets, and we have discussed this earlier on. What you could do is you could add a new sheet, and now just from the previous exercise, can you see there that we've deleted sheet 2? Now when we insert a new sheet, it doesn't say sheet 2 because sheet 2 was deleted, it says sheet 3. In any case, let's go right click, and we're going to move or copy. We can then go move it to the end. There we go, it moves to the end. Let's right click on sheet 3, move or copy, move it to the end, and just create a copy. There we go. Select main budget, move or copy, just create a copy. It adds it to the beginning. If we right click on it again, we can go move or copy again. We can then select it to a file or to a new workbook if you wanted to. Let's again select the workbook, create a copy, and let's not create a copy this time around. Then we can see there with our book 1, we have our main budget that we've copied. If we go back to the original file, that sheet has now disappeared because we didn't create a copy. Once again, you could close it, not save it. You decide on how you want to actually proceed with it.